Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up AirDNA. So when you're on the homepage, airdna.co, just come here and click on start for free. You can actually start a free account first, and then if you want, you can upgrade your plan. Okay, so I've clicked on that, and now I'll have to basically register my account, right? So right here, you can either, sign up with Google if you're already logged in, or you can go ahead and create your new account from scratch. Just enter your email, first name, last name, and password. Let me go ahead and do that. So there you go. Enter your details and just click on sign up. Okay. Now it's basically going to authenticate you and create your account. And as you can see, now it's going to ask you what basically describes you the best. Are you a property manager? Are you a real estate broker? Are you an investor? Or are you a aspiring host, right? Choose whatever you think describes you best. So I would choose this one right here. And then what you can do is scroll down and press on next. How many properties do you own? I'll just go ahead and do 0 for now. And then here, it is going to basically sign me up. And if you want to upgrade, okay, now you can use it. You can use the free features. But if you want to upgrade, just come here and click on upgrade. And you will be able to select a plan from one of the subscription options. For example, let's say you want this one. You just come here and select this, and you come here, enter your credit card information. And if you have a promo code discount, you can go ahead and put that in and just click on apply. Okay, you have to enter your card number, your expiration date, CVV code, your address, and then just come here, click on Pay Now. And there we go. Now I have a Pro plan, and it's really that easy and simple. Now you can enjoy the Pro features.